I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart key maker. First, find the Key Me or Minute Key kiosk, typically near the front entrance or customer service desk. These self-service machines are designed for quick and easy key duplication. Once you've located the kiosk, simply follow the on-screen prompts to begin the process. It's a straightforward system that guides you through each step. After inserting your key, the machine will scan it and display various key styles and materials. You can choose from standard brass keys to more decorative options. The price, usually between $3 and $6 for a standard key, will be clearly shown. Once you've made your selection, proceed to payment. The kiosks accept major credit and debit cards for a secure transaction. Once payment is confirmed, the key maker will begin the cutting process. This advanced technology ensures a precise duplication of your original key, often with an accuracy of 1/1000th of an inch. The entire cutting operation is remarkably fast, usually completed in under 60 seconds. You'll hear the machine working, and then your brand new key will be dispensed from the output slot. It's an efficient and accurate method for getting a perfect copy. For optimal results, make sure your original key is clean and free of debris or damage. If the machine displays an error message, try reinserting your key carefully. If problems persist, don't hesitate to ask a Walmart associate for help. Always keep your receipt. It's important if you need to address any potential issues with your new key. Most duplications are successful on the first try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.